Hi friends, welcome to Softcode. In the previous video, we have seen so many beautiful tags like the center tag, HR tag, BR tag, paragraph tag, and heading tag, and many more. So, in this video, we will see the formatting of the text in HTML. So, in the many websites or documents, you may have seen some text are in bold one, some text are in italic one, and many more different formats in the text. So, in this video, we will see how to make such possible things using HTML. So, let's write some code to get that. So, I have pressed exclamation mark and press enter. You will see the whole syntax of the HTML. So, let me change the title of the document. So, let it be format tag examples. So, the first tag we will discuss here is the body tag. The body tag is defined by the B tag. So, let's write a line using the P tag, and I don't know the line, so I will use lorem, and I need about 12 words in the sentence. So I will write lorem 12 and press enter, and you will see that I got nearly 12 words. So now let's open this in live server. So you can see this, the words are displayed here. So now I want the words from here to here in bold one. To create the letters in bold or the group of words in the bold, we have to use the bold tag. Just we have to write B and press enter and copy the content from here to here and paste that in B tag, so that whatever the content we need in bold one, we have to paste that content in the B tag. So let's open again in the live server. You can see the difference between these words. These words are in bold now. So suppose I want the words from here to here in italic style. So to create the letters in italic style, we have to use italic tag. So similarly, the italic tag is defined by I. Just type I and press enter and copy the content whatever you want in the italic style and paste that in between the I tag and press enter. So let's open this in live server. So now you can see the difference between the words. These words are normal, these words are in bold size, and these words are in italic one. I think you got the idea of bold tag and italic tag. Assume you want this word in an underlined way. I mean, there should be an underline bottom of this word. Suppose I want this word to be underlined. So the tag will be the U tag. The HTML gives an underline tag which is defined by U tag. Just we have to type U and press enter, and whatever the content you want to be underlined, just copy and paste between the U tag. Let's open this in live server. So you can see the difference between the normal words and this word. This word is underlined because this content is between the underline tag. I hope you got the bold tag, italic tag, and the underline tag. So now let's discuss about the strike tag. Suppose in the website or in the document I have typed this word as wrong, and now I want to get a strike on the word. So suppose I want this word. So I will use the strike keyword as a strike tag and place this word between them. Strike and press enter and copy this tag, this word, and place between the strike keyword. So let's open this in live server. You can see this word has been striked. So I hope you got the difference between the strike tag and the underline tag. The underline tag will be the below the word, but the strike tag will be it strikes the word. Let's go for monospaced font. I know these tags are somewhat difficulty, but as you use it again and again, it will becomes very easy to you. You may have seen some mathematical formulas like a square, a plus b whole square, where the numbers are above the formula. So just by using the words in paragraph, it makes difficult to use the square above the words. So for such text, we have to use superscript tags. So yeah, let me delete this. I will write a new one for you. The formula is a plus b square. So let's open this in live server. You can see the formula is a plus b2, but I want this to above the a plus b. So for this we have to use the superscript tag. So the tag is defined by sup. So whatever the content you want to display above the word, you have to make the content between the sup tag. So just type sup and press enter, and whatever the content you want above the word, the previous word, make note that. Okay, Ctrl C and paste that between the super tag. Just remove this. Okay, now let's open again in the live server. You can see the difference, previous one and this one. The 2 was here, and now the 2 is above the a plus b. So for writing the superscript text, we have to use the sub tag. Okay, suppose in chemistry we may have seen some formulas like H2O, right, where the 2 is present below the words. So for such tags we have to use subscript tags. First one was superscript and this tag is subscript. Suppose I want the 2 here, not above, below the word. So just we have to place this 2 between the subscript tag. The tag is defined by sub. So just write sub and press enter, you will get the closing tag also. So just write the 2 here. Let me delete the spaces. Open this in live server. You can see the 2 which was above, it came the below the word. Using subscript and superscript, you can create the text in mathematical or in chemical formulas. So I hope you got these tags. So the next tag will be larger text tag. Suppose I want some words to be larger. See, we don't have to use the head tag because the head tags are only specified for headings of the website. But in the normal lines, we have to use these tags like the larger text to create the or increase the size of the words. Suppose I want this word to be greater than these words. So I have to place them in the larger text tag. This tag is defined by big. Okay, so just we have to press big and press enter and copy this content and place between the big tag. So let's open this in live server. You can see comparing to these words, the formula is larger, and normally if you want this word to be smaller compared to the remaining lines, we have to use smaller tag. So the tag is defined by small. Suppose I will write some few more words here. Okay, so suppose I want this word to be smaller compared to is and a plus b whole square. I will place this in small tag and copy this content and paste between the small tag. So let's open this in live server. You can see this word is smaller than is and a plus b whole square, while the formula is larger compared to the normal words. So I hope you got the formatting styles in HTML. So the next tag will be the strong tag. The strong tag is similar to the bold tag, but it is the latest version of bold tag from the HTML5 version. So just we have to create a new sentence. Suppose I take lorem and I'll take 4 words. Suppose I want these 2 words in bold one. Just copy this content and press strong and copy this content in the strong tag. let's open this in live server. You can see the strong tag is similar to the bold tag, but the latest HTML serves the bold tag as a strong tag. So I recommend you to by heart the strong keyword instead of the bold tag. So the next tag will be monospaced tag. I think you should know the meaning of monospaced. Suppose, let me open this in live server. Suppose, take this word. Here, the L letter takes more width compared to the R. The letter E takes lesser width compared to the M. The I letter takes lesser width compared to the S and U. So, using the monospaced tag, we can create the text which has similar width letters. So, let me create a new line for you. lorem, I will take 11 words, and now I want the text in a monospaced way. So, the tag name monospaced is defined as TT. So the tag name is TT, which works as a monospaced converter. Just copy this content and paste between the TT tag. Just press enter and just paste this text in the TT tag. Now let's open this in live server. You can see whatever the letters you are seeing all are monospaced one. I mean, this letter and this letter and this letter and this letter are having same width. Even the I has same width as S. So using monospaced tag or the TT tag help us to make the letters in a monospaced way. So till now we have discussed so many formatting tags like the bold tag, strong tag, italic tag, the TT tag, the larger tag, the small tag, the big tag, which help us to create different text formatting. Even we have discussed the superscript and the subscript tag, which help us to type the words in the website as a mathematical formulas or the chemical formulas. Make sure that you practice well and make sure that you subscribe our channel and press the notification bell so that you can get notified with our new contents. Whatever the problems you are facing, please comment in the comment box. Make sure that you like and subscribe, please. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.